Welcome to my chefing. My name is Chef Fran, and if you're new to this channel, welcome. And if you're returning back, thank you for coming back. But first, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like button so you can have fresh new content from me every single week. Do you love a croissant and cookie dough? Let's make the marriage of the croquis. You don't have to fly to Paris to get your croquis now. You can make it at home yourself. Let's do it together. So we're gonna make our croquis. So we are going to use a serrated knife and we're going to cut our croissants along lengthwise down. Now you wanna make sure you don't cut it all the way, like separate it through, because you still wanna keep it holding together. Right here at the corner. This one's a little smaller dome, so it's not going to get as much.
Our vitamin content for our viral croquis is croissants A and B5, chocolate chip cookie dough, small amounts of A, D, K, calcium, iron and potassium, and chocolate chips B6, B12, niacin, riboflavin, and thiamine.
Okay, so I'm now going to put this in the air fryer. So it says, the packaging says 11 to 12 minutes. Since the air fryers, even though I'm putting it on bake mode in air fryer, sometimes they tend to cook a little bit more rapidly. I am going to do actually 7 minutes. I'm going to check it at 7 minutes. If it needs more time, then I'll do that. It's on 325. I'm going to go up to 350. And I'm going to come down to 7 minutes. I'd like to see what it looks like then, because I don't exactly want mine too dark.
And here are a list of ingredients.
I'm taking out our chocolate chip croissant and I am plating it right here. Some people like to decorate, but I'm just going to do a little light dusting, just to make it look a little prettier. A little dust ball. Okay.
1 in 9 working age veterans are food insecure.
So here we have our croquis. This is our chocolate chip croquis with a little light dusting of confectioner sugar, powdered sugar. I want you to see what it looks like inside. Oh my gosh, look at that gooiness. And the dough is already formed outside, but we had, did a little decoration with it. And so our resident taste tester is here, Gio, and he's gonna taste it. And we have a nice cold glass of almond milk, unsweetened almond milk to go with it. You can use the milk of your choice if you want to use milk or coffee or water, whatever your beverage.
Well, let's try it.
Let's do it.
I'm gonna dip it in the almond milk.
Ooh. How is that? Okay, judging by your mouth being full, that tells me it's good. I'm gonna taste a little piece of cookie dough that fell.
Tastes just like a nice glass of cookies and milk, warm, but also with the added flakiness and texture of the croissant to go along with it. It all pairs together real well.
I'm gonna take my taste test. Oh my God. So this just came out the air fryer oven and it's so warm and gooey and flaky, just having goodness. Your chocolate chip and croissant croquis. Mwah. Thank you for hanging out with Gio and I and eating croquis with us, chocolate chip croquis. We ask you to come back and watch us in our next video. And most of all, be good to yourself. God bless you.
Subscribe for more delicious recipes and vitamin details. Also, your support will continue to allow my channel to grow.